Welcome to today's mission, building bulletproof tenant isolation with resource quotas. In multi-tenant systems, it's crucial to prevent one noisy tenant from impacting everyone else. Think of it like soundproofing apartments. Today, you'll learn to build critical safety nets. We'll explore how to prevent noisy tenants from impacting others by enforcing strict CPU, memory, and storage limits. You'll also discover mechanisms to ensure fair resource distribution and set up systems to track usage and alert on limits. Let's dive into isolating excellence. Why is isolation so vital? First, resource quotas define a specific slice of system resources for each tenant. Think of Netflix ensuring your 4K stream doesn't slow down another user. Without quotas, one tenant's spike could crash everything. Next, namespace isolation creates logical sandboxes, preventing data leakage and interference between tenants. Finally, fair scheduling ensures equitable resource allocation under load, guaranteeing minimums for all. These are the pillars of a stable multi-tenant system. Let's dive into the architecture. At its core is the resource manager. It continuously tracks real-time resource consumption for every tenant, validating requests against quotas. Our isolation layer then creates logical boundaries using process isolation, separate database schemas, and distinct file system namespaces. This prevents accidental cross-tenant access. Finally, the quota enforcement engine monitors usage, applying soft limits for warnings and hard limits to block excessive operations, ensuring system stability. Understanding the data flow is key. For request processing, an incoming request identifies the tenant. The resource manager checks quotas. If within limits, processing proceeds and consumption is tracked in real time, triggering alerts near thresholds. For resource allocation, when a tenant requests resources, the quota engine validates it. A fair scheduler prioritizes. Resources are allocated and then cleaned up. Real-time tracking and alerts are crucial throughout these flows. This isn't just theory. It has massive real-world impact. Companies like Spotify use similar isolation to ensure podcast uploads don't affect music streaming. Shopify prevents one store's Black Friday surge from impacting others. Our Python implementation leverages psutil for monitoring and custom middleware for enforcement. We support hierarchical limits and multi-layer enforcement at the API gateway, processing, and storage levels, providing robust protection.